Holy shit. Here we go again. Oh my goodness. That's definitely a direct hit. Holy shit. Oh my god. I don't even want to get out right now. Okay, I can get out now. Holy cow. That is insane. Oh my goodness, the frames. Holy shit. That is a big tornado right there. Wow. That's insane. I think that's like one of the biggest ones you get. There's two that spawn here. That's it's a twin, same path. Holy shit, dude, that was awesome. That was awesome. Look at the trees, they're literally split in half. Oh my goodness. 12,000 pickup value, that's insane. Man, I just missed the jerk hit. Could have went down farther. That was insane. $315 kilometers an hour? Holy shit. Is that like a record or something? Has to be. I still see it. That's fine. That was awesome. Well, I guess that's it. Yeah, the next tornado.